Here we are, as a quick unboxing video. This is for the Corsa D smoked part LED rear lights. Let's have a quick look. We'll also get them illuminated once we've got them unboxed. So these lights fit Corsa D. These are part LED. So what we've got is the indicator and the fog light is powered by bulbs. These are not included. It's easy just to whip them out your old bulb holders and use them in these rear lights. What is LED is this section here, which is brake and side light. So this rear light kit comes with some resistors. This is just to ensure we don't have any bulb error warning lights appear on your dashboard with your lights going from bulb to LED. As you can see, these just click in dead easy. There is some brief instructions there, but you know, it's self-explanatory. So let's get them illuminated and have a quick look.